Binondo itinerary from Recto Station. Cubao Station ako sumakay, going to Recto Station. 13 minutes walk, we passed by Rizal Avenue and Santa Cruz to dine in at Toho Pansiteria Antigua, the oldest restaurant in the Philippines. We went on a weekend and this is 9 a.m. Bukas na sila. Ang in-order namin is pancit lechon, hindi pa kasi available yung asado, and crab omelette. I didn't expect this to be super delicious. Pati yung pancit na in-order namin, sobrang winner. After that, kailangan daw mag-coffee ng cousin ko. The nearest cafe there is Tomorrow Coffee. I love Oatside, kaya I ordered the Hojicha Oatside Latte. So good. Sincerity, meron na nito sa Mega Mall. Don't forget to bring cash. Pag nakita nyo tong fruit stalls, pumasok kayo kasi nandito yung Pohing Lumpia. 100 pesos lang to and this is my favorite sa mga fresh lumpia na na-try ko sa Binondo. It's nutty with lots of textures and masarap yung sauce niya. Then we walk back to Quintin Paredes, then walk straight going to Binondo Church. Then walk straight to Angpin Street if you want to start your street food adventure agad-agad. Pag nakita nyo yung mga Chinese lanterns, that's where the Engbitin flagship store is located. Grabe ang pila ng Binondo Bites pag weekend. Hindi namin na-try ang init kasi ng pila pero sana chinagana namin kasi minsan lang kami pumunta ng Binondo. Mukha pa namang masarap. We passed by Cafe Mezzanine kaso nag-coffee na kami. Then when you see this welcome sign, nandyan yung Baker's Fair. Sa other side yung Lord's Toast and Mr. Ube. Of course, pinilahan namin ng Lord's Toast. Ito yung favorite egg tart ko. The custard is so smooth and not too sweet. Then flaky and buttery yung crust. Ang sarap nito. A few steps away is the Veggie Select. I like this. Malayo pa lang amoy na amoy mo na yung sauce. 150 for 3 sticks. Sobrang pinipilahan din to. Nagustuhan namin ng mga cousins ko. Veggie sausage with enuki mushroom. At itong spiral na to yung pinaka-type ko. Para siyang squid ball. Katabi lang din niya tong mga fried siopaw pero hindi namin na-try. Bongkay sugarcane juice kapag kailangan mo ng panula. Hindi ako fan ng sugarcane juice. Sobrang tamis niya for me. Every time I go to Binondo, must visit ang Waying. Kaso blockbuster din to pag weekend pero pag take out ka lang, you don't have to line up. So pumasok ako para lang mag-take out ng siopaw asado at yung pinaka-favorite ko na siopaw bola-bola. Twice na akong pumunta sa Binondo and lagi tong out of stock. Thankfully, available na during my last visit. Ganon pa rin ang lasa, ang sarap pa rin. Umalik kami sa Veggie Select area, nandun yung president. Then, we passed by this bridge going to Salazar Bakery. I want to buy yung mga products na wala basta-basta dito sa Mandaluyong. And if I'm correct, ang Salazar Bakery is sa Binondo lang. Gustong-gusto ng hubby ko itong Hopia Black Munggo ng Salazar. Next stop is Shanghai Fried Siopaw. Kahit mahaba pila, mabilis namang umandar. At guys, ang sarap nito, kaya pala pinipilahan. Malapit na to pabalik ng Recto Station. If kaya pa ng powers nyo, pwede kayong pumunta ng Lucky Chinatown Mall. May stall ang Waying, may nakita rin akong Oishikun Churros. Ito yung time na napabili kami ng siopaw asado ng Waying. Yun naman kasi ang bet ni hubby. If gusto nyo naman chillax lang, pwede kayong mag-visit sa Golden Noodle House. Masarap for me yung chicken broth nila. Ang dami pang dapat matry, babalik kami for sure!